Hi guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today, let me introduce our new Forbes tabs widget by Ultimate PostKit plugin. Forbes tabs is a unique tab widget for blogging sites. The interface looks like a little newspaper and it's best for news portal websites. Let's see how it works. As you see, the Forbes tabs displays posts in a unique way. There are more tabs as categories on top. From the layout section, you can change the item gap for the posts. Right below is a scroll bar to adjust the post height. Keep a suitable image size to preserve the resolution. From the query, you can change the number of posts displayed on the tabs. There are more things like include, exclude fields, and other sorting options. On the additional section, there are a bunch of switchers here. The switchers are responsible for showing or hiding items on the tab. You may change the text limit for the post description here. For example, let's turn off the date switcher and see the changes on the display. Let's revert all changes. You may pick anything as the meta separator on this field. Lastly, you can change the header level from here. Moving on to the Style tab. Let's change the line width and spacing under the header. The line color can be changed as it's a type of border. Next, go for the header. Change the background color same as border. Then the text goes white. Using the padding, you may add more background area around the heading. Once done, let's change the font from the typography option, including font size and weight. From the filter section, you can change the color of the category. Let's change its typography too. For the active category, change the background and text color to highlight it. Next, add some padding around the filters. Don't forget to change the hover color too. For the tabs item, let's place some border around them. Change the border color to the same yellowish. Add some padding too to make the borders more visible. Next, let's change the color of the post titles. First for the primary, then for the secondary. Also, change their typography to suit your blog page. After that, let's customize the category for the tabs. First, go for the primary. Change the border width and make the text white. Don't forget to apply some padding too. Now for the secondary posts, change the color into the same yellowish. After that, add some borders and change the width into 1. Same but a little lighter color for the border. Then apply some paddings and change the typography a bit. For the hover mode, you can just flip the colors and it will be enough. White for the text and the rest goes to the backgrounds. Do the same for the both primary and secondary posts. That's it, the Forbes tabs is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.